Good afternoon, class. I'm Janelle Doyanan, and I'm your teacher for today. Before you take your seats, kindly pick up the trash around your chairs and check the alignment of your seats. So, Miss Secretary, may I know who is absent today? That's good to hear. So, before we go to our topic, let's have first a short quiz. Compare each pair of decimal using symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. How do you know which of the two decimal number is bigger or smaller? Okay, compare the whole number part first. If they are the same, compare the decimal places from left to right. What rule have you applied to identify which decimal is bigger or smaller? Okay, compare digit place by place starting from the left. The number with larger digit in the first different place is bigger. How do you arrange the decimal numbers given in ascending or descending order? Okay, compare the whole number part first. If they are the same, compare the decimal places from left to right. So, let's proceed to our topic for today, the rounding decimal numbers to the nearest whole number and to the nearest tenth. Rounding decimals involves making a decimal simpler by shortening it to a given number or decimal places. Rounding decimals is a type of estimation used to make calculations easier. Here's example. Suppose Alexa walked a distance of 12.45 meters from their home and to her school. How far did Alexa walk if you rounded 12.45 to whole number? Here's the example. Since 12.45 is 4 units nearer to 12 rather than 13, the distance Alexa walked from their house to the school is approximately 12 meters. When rounding off a decimal number to the nearest whole number, you are trying to find out which whole number the given number is closest to. Here, 12.45 rounding place the digit to the right end of the decimal place is less than 5. Leave the rounding digit alone. 12.45 rounded to the nearest whole number is 12. The image is a flow chart explaining how to round the decimal number 12.45 to the nearest whole number. Rounding place. Identify place value to round to. Here, we are rounding to the nearest whole number, so we look at the ones place 12. Check the digit of the right. The tens place 4 is examined. Since 4 is less than 5, we have the rounding digit 12 unchanged. So the final answer is the number 12.45 rounded to the nearest whole number is 12. This follows the rounding rule. If the digit to the right is less than 5, keep the rounding digit the same. If the digit to the right is 5 or more, round up by adding 1. In order to round decimals to the nearest whole number, A. Find the rounding place. B. Look at the digit immediately to the right of the rounding place. C. When the digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to rounding digit. When it is less than 5, leave the rounding digit alone. D. Drop all the digits to the right of the rounded digit. And E. Write the rounded number. How to round a number to the nearest tenth? To round a number to the nearest tenth. A. Look at the hundredths digit, the digit after the tenth digit. B. If it is less than 5, then round the number down by removing the decimal part of the number after the tenths. C. If it is greater than or equal 5, round the number by adding 1 on the tenth digit and removing the rest of the decimal part of the number. D. Write the rounded number. When rounding a number to the nearest tenth, you are trying to find out which tenth of a number your number is closest to. Example 1. Round 78.67 to the nearest whole number. 8 is the rounding place. 6 is to the right of the rounding digit. It is greater than 5. Add 1 to the rounding digit. And it will give us 79. Example number 2. Round 1.61 to the nearest tenth. So, 6 is the rounding place. 1 is to the right of the rounding digit. It is less than 5. Leave the rounding digit same. It will give us 1.6. Example number 3. Round off the following to the nearest whole number and tenths. So, well done. Do you have any questions or clarifications? Let us now proceed to our activity for today. For your assignment, read and analyze the given problem. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Show your complete solution. So, here the assignment. Thank you so much for participating, class. See you next meeting. God bless.